Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I have a haul for you guys, and it's from, as you can see on the bag, TJ Maxx, our favorite, some of you us favorite store. And I'm not on camera tonight, I'm sorry, I'm a little bit tired, so let's jump into it. So again, my daughter and I went like always, and I just wanted some time, and we got some stuff, so she wanted me to show you guys what she got also. So the first thing that I picked up is this right here. This is the first thing that I picked up for real. Is this right here, and this is the Touch and Go tri-folded mirror bundle. You get two sets in here, like you see right here. You get this big one and also this small one, and this was $24.99. and after I left the store, I said to my daughter I should have got the other one that's Bluetooth, and she told me to go ahead and exchange it. I don't know, you know how I feel about exchanging, returning stuff, but this is just an exchange because it's the same price and it's Bluetooth attached. Okay, then let me get the bag out of the way. The next thing that I got is this lemon exfoliating sugar scrub, and this is 19.4 ounces, and this was $5.99. I got this. I love a good body scrub. I have one of those big white brushes from Dollar Tree that I use to scrub my body when once a week I do it, or every other week. I don't do it too much because I don't want my skin to be real dry, so I said let me give this a try, and it's just lemon scented. That way it can wake me up if I decide, if I'm real tired one morning, I'll do it that way. She went ahead and got the pink grapefruit one, and this one is also 19.4 ounces, and it's exfoliated sugar scrub, and this was also $5.99. She cannot wait to use this. She says she loved how it smells. I'm not a grapefruit person, that's why I got the lemon one. They also had one which was coconut, and the coconut one also. Okay, the next one, she picked this up. Oh y'all, she did better than me because I was not in the mood. This is a Skin Lab Daily Gel Cleanser. It is supposed to remove daily impurities, leave skin clean and fresh, gentle and effective, and capsule vitamin E beaded for all skin types. This is how many ounces? 5 ounces, and she paid $3.99. I told her that I was gonna look into the Skin Lab, because you guys, I'm still trying to find a good skincare regimen and I cannot find one, so I'm just trying. I don't want to try too much stuff and just wasting money. I picked this up. Now I told myself I don't need any more beauty blenders. I told her in the store I didn't need any more beauty blenders, but 3 come in it. The green one's supposed to be infused with vitamin E, help protect against environmental damage to skin. This one is hyaluronic acid, supposed to infuse moisture from replenish moisture for softer, smoother looking skin. And then this one is retinol infused, and you see on the front right here, there's all 3 of them, and this was on sale for $4.50, and it was originally $5.99. I noticed that with TJ Maxx also, they don't go what's your issue, they don't go that low on clearance, but I got it. Okay, household stuff. I picked up this candle, and you guys can see I already started burning it when I came home because I had to cook. And this was Madrid, and it's a signature soy candle, and this was for $7.99. In the store I liked how it smelled. It smelled real good, but when I got home it did not have this smell that I liked. So right now it don't have any smell at all whatsoever. So I'm gonna see if it's just because of the large space in the kitchen. Y'all see this? This is my daughter candle right here, and this is called Cliffside Blossom. It's also another soy candle, and this was $7.99. What's the smell? What's the scent? There is none. Jazz, you know this wasn't had no scent. It just said that. So this smells real good, to be honest. I guess it's called Cliffside Blossom. My son is standing next to me smelling. And then the last two items that we got. Want to say hi?
Hi.
They can't see you. You just gotta wave your hand hi like mommy.
Hi everyone. I'm from Ethan and Aiden. I'm from Fun Time with Ethan and Aiden.
They have a YouTube channel. It's called Fun Time with Ethan and Aiden. They just started, so it's not that much video, but we're working on it. So that's a little promo he just throw in there. So
I also made a Talking Tom video, so you can check it out.
Okay, can I do my video?
Okay.
Bye.
How many minutes does Aiden have?
I don't know. Let me finish my video.
Okay.
And this one is called Amber Dooms. It's another scented candle, $7.99 also. Soy candle, and it's $7.99. Let me use. And it's just called Amber Dooms. I think this is mine. This Amber Dooms, yours or mine? Sorry guys, my nose is dripping. And then the last but not least item that I got, or she got, I think this is, sorry about the noise. Pull this off for mommy. Thank you. It's this one. Yeah, this hers. And this is Tropical Citrus by Sand and Fog Inspired California Coast. This was also $7.99. Oh yeah, this is hers. So yeah, this is hers and this one is mine. So you can see, we just, when it's just her and I, just to get out to help me. Whenever I'm stressed, she loves to take me out and we get stuff together. Half of the time it's the same stuff, but you know, she's her own little lady. So that is it for my little Target. I was gonna say Target. TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.